You just need to do this one thing and you can increase your job servicing profit by 15 times. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, the channel that brings you the best tips, strategies and tools for building a profitable online business. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can increase your job servicing profit by 15 times. So if you're interested in today's topic, make sure that you stick around. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Most of us start doing job servicing promoting only one service. For example, like myself, I started my job servicing promoting only video editing services. On average, each sale that I've closed for video editing services, I make about $70 for my basic video editing service. After gaining more experience, I start to explore more services. From the past 1 year of doing job servicing, I realized one thing. Majority of the clients need more services other than doing video editing. And that leads me to doing this one thing, which is to bundle the services that I provide. By bundling the online services, I managed to increase most of the job servicing deals to an increased profit of 15 times. So how should you bundle your service? Some of my previous videos I did explain before regarding job servicing packages that you can promote. So what I'm sharing with you today will be a little bit different. And the bundle that I'm going to talk about today will have much more profit as compared to the previous video that I mentioned. The packages that I've introduced to you previously, I have talked about it in one of the videos. I will leave a link up here and also down in the description box below. So if you want to know how I package my services, you can check out that video. Those packages that I've mentioned before are related to only one service. So for example, if I'm doing video editing service, the 3 packages that I often promote are related to video editing alone. For example, my basic video editing consists of only up to 5 minutes of running video and also basic editing. And the rest of my packages are mostly due to the duration and also complexity of the video editing. In today's video, I'll be sharing how you can bundle the services which are related but it's also totally different types of services that you can bundle together and upsell it to your clients. I'll be using video editing service for today's demonstration. Even though today I'll be introducing different bundles for your job servicing business, you still need to focus on your core business. For myself, my core business is still video editing. So make sure that you are not diverted into doing any other services other than your core business. Let's say your prospect wants to do a video. What a video needs from start is a storyboarding, scripting, voiceovers, subtitles, video editing, as well as video marketing. So these 6 different services can actually be bundled into your services. Let me break it down each and every cost of the services. For storyboarding, most of the freelancers are charging $10, scripting $25, voiceovers are around $20, subtitles is about $5, for video editing is $35, and lastly for video marketing, it can be quite a big range, but we will just do a basic one. So a basic video marketing on social media costs around $35. And this gives you a total of $130 for these 6 services that you're going to pay your freelancer. Now this is the exciting part. Let's see how much you can charge your client for this bundle. All this costing is based on a 5 minutes video. I did a quick research and I found out that most of the storyboard artists charge about $400 for storyboarding. For scripting, it's about $1,500. Voiceovers also has a very big range, but we will stick to the average of $250. For subtitles, you can get it at about $20. Video editing service for a short video of 5 minutes, it's cost about $200. And lastly, for video marketing on social media, it costs about $150. This brings a total of $2,520. This is what you get a la carte if you were to sell these services individually. But because we want to offer a good deal to our client and to close the deal, we need to offer something more attractive. With this bundle, I can charge $2,000. I have discounted $520 for my clients. And based on the cost of $130, we have made a total of $1,870 based on this bundle alone. With this bundle, you have increased your profit 15 times. If I've been only selling video editing service alone, and each video editing service that I close make me $70, then I need to close 26 clients in order for me to make $1,870. So this bundling of services is very powerful for all drop services out there. It is a great way for you to scale up your business. This bundle is a great way for you to do an upsell. Let me know in the comment section below what online services that you want me to bundle, and I'll make one video specially for you. I hope today's video is going to benefit your drop servicing business. Do like this video and share it with your friends who is also doing this business. Don't forget to join my Drop Servicing Mastery Telegram channel if you have not done so. I will leave a link down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!